Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix an iPhone that won't end a call. Using the power button or the red phone icon on the call screen, ending the call isn't a big deal. Until your iPhone starts acting weird and won't let you end calls. The common scenario is that there's no red hang-up button to end the call and it doesn't show up after pressing the keypad. Meanwhile, pressing the side button also doesn't end the call on an iPhone. If you're not sure why this happens and how to fix the call ended problem on iPhone, keep watching and we'll show you the answer. Why can't I end a call on my iPhone? The system is experiencing a delay because of a software glitch or outdated software. The iPhone won't end a call as the related setting isn't activated or configured correctly. The screen is unresponsive or the lock button is broken. Next, this video will provide simple approaches and detailed tutorial of how to fix iPhone not ending calls. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 26. Work your way down until you can complete the call properly. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. 1. Try common ways to end a call on an iPhone. Are you the kind of user who uses the side button every time you end a call? Yes, it's the most frequently used approach, but there are additional ways to stop calls. Here are some. 1. Say "Hey Siri" to activate it, then say end the call or hang up. 2. Open the control center and open airplane mode. 3. If you're wearing an Apple Watch, tap the red end call button there. If nothing helps and you still can't end a call on an iPhone, then continue watching to fix the potential software and hardware problems. 2. Hard reboot the device. An iPhone that has been in use for a long time tends to gather a lot of unused cache files. This accumulation can consume storage space, leading to lag and slower performance. It could lead to a missing end call button or the icon not working properly. Finally, you're unable to end a call on iPhone. Instead of removing these files manually, a more efficient way is to clear all temporary files or caches by doing a forced restart. It'll give the operating system a fresh restart without deleting any photos, videos, and other personal data. Here's how. On an iPhone 8 or later, press the volume up, volume down, and power button in sequence, then long press the power button. On iPhone 7 series, press and hold both the volume down button and side button. On iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the home button and the sleep or wake button. After the device shuts down then shows an Apple logo, let go of the buttons you're holding. It'll boot up itself within seconds. After that, see if the iPhone not ending calls problem is resolved. 3. See if the prevent lock to end call option is enabled. In the case that the side button doesn't end the call on iPhone, the prevent lock to end call might be toggled on. To take a look, go to the Settings app, tap Accessibility, then choose Touch. Scroll down the page until you find the prevent lock to end call feature. Make sure it's switched off. After that, now you should be able to end an incoming call or completed call on iPhone with the side button. 4. Upgrade iPhone to the most recent iOS version. When you have trouble ending calls, it's often tied to your iPhone's software. Maybe the device's system version is too low to execute the end calls command normally. To check it, go to the Settings app, tap General, hit About, followed by tapping the iOS version option. For your reference, in 2026, the latest version currently is iOS 26. If it appears to you less, you'll need to install the latest software. Tap back until you reach the General page. From there, tap Software Update. After checking for updates, it'll show you the information of the latest firmware. Just follow the on-screen prompts to tap Download and Install to move on. Once the operating system is up to date, let someone call you to test if you can make an iPhone end a call normally now. 5. Return all settings back to factory conditions. Occasionally, an iPhone end call button doesn't work due to system settings conflicts. Tracking down which setting is at fault when the iPhone won't end calls is time-consuming and laborious. A quick way is to reset all the settings back to their default configurations. By doing that, any customized adjustments on settings-related calls, notification, networks, privacy, and others will be removed. If you can accept it, here's what you need to do. Tap Settings from the home screen. Tap General, then scroll down the page to tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, tap Reset, followed by hitting Reset All Settings. Complete the on-screen instructions until the reset process begins. 6. Check the screen and the buttons. Have you ever dropped the phone or changed the screen on it? If so, there might be a proximity sensor problem, bad display assembly, or stuck buttons. One of them could stop you from making an iPhone end call with the red hang up button or the side button. To avoid further damage, it's advised to visit a professional repair store to verify the device hardware. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on what to do when you cannot end calls on an iPhone. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in canceling the calls as normal again. If you did, please consider liking and buying this video a super thanks. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more tech-related content. Until next time.